JSP expression tag. So what are the statement that generates some results is called as expression. So what are the operation you perform like addition, subtraction, multiplication? You need two values, two numerals, and you need one operator. And that operator perform the operations on the operands are called as expression. So a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b. So these all are the expressions. So in JSP, you will find expression tag, the syntax. The JSP expression tag is given to evaluate the provided expression, provide the expressions or mathematical expressions, and shows those generated results on the browser window. Even you can show on the server console also. Even you can show the server console. It doesn't mean that it's browser window only. It's up to you where you want to show. So this is standard syntax to work with the JSP expression tag. So left angle bracket, modulo, assignment operator, and write the expression here. You can write the expression here, and you can end the expression tag. Similarly, actually expression is single line, na. I need not to add these mean number of spaces. These mean number of spaces. So let me write here Java expression. So for your understanding checks, Java expression. Okay. Oh. So here also I can write Java expression syntax. Okay. Let's see an example. How can I able to work with the expression tag? So nothing. Just let me grab this code. Let me close the expression tag. Okay. I have closed and just write the expression. Any expression, mathematical expression that you feel okay, that will feel comfort. So I'm declaring variable. Otherwise, first let me create some variables, because now tell me one thing. Tell me now, this is which tag? Which tag is it? Declaration tag, right? Huh? Now, what are the variables I declare in the declaration tag? Sorry, scriptlet tag. It is not a declaration tag; it's a scriptlet tag. What are the variables I declare in the declare with initialize in a scriptlet tag? Will be a part of JSP service method, right? Right? Fine. This is my just a declaration. Variable declare केला मी कुठं scriptlet tag मध्ये. Now next, I'm trying to write the values. I'm trying to show the output now. Addition is okay. What should I do now here? Simply write your scriptlet declaration expression tag. Right angle bracket, left angle bracket, modulo, assignment operator, a plus b, and your modulo ends. That's it. Okay. Control C, Alt F. Let me create my JSP page for expression tag. JSP. Fine. Let me keep something in the center. For H horizontal row. Oh no. Maybe H1. And here is center. Let me add the break. Okay. Let me save. Where should I save? Oh, D drive, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat, Web Apps, JSP tag, expression example, express example. Okay. I saved along with the declaration scriptlet. This is a web.inf, classes, nothing. Beside the classes, web.xml. Web.xml is empty, right? Scriptlet, expression example, saved. Okay. Now just already server is in running mode. I don't want to do anything great. So simply I'll copy this. I'll remove. Addition is 30. So in this way, you can able to write a small expression. Okay, fine. Now, next up. So you can note this example. Okay, already लिहिलाय मी ते. You can make it underline. Make it underline. Okay, and make underline or write *1 here. *1. Let me add more point. This expression tag. This expression tag performs what it performs. Performs A plus B operation. A plus B operation and sends generated results. Generated results to browser window. To browser window. And the code placed in a expression tag. Expression tag goes to underscore JSP service method. JSP service method of JSP equivalent solid program. Okay, guys, fine. So let's see one more example. So let me go take one more example. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to declare some methods. I'm trying to use the declaration tag and define the method within the declaration tag. Okay. So public till time going to up public int sum. I'm not going to do anything great. Integer x here simply writing addition subtraction logic, and here I'm performing some operation like a return, or you can show the output here, or you can return the values. Return x plus y. Okay. Simple logic. I'm not writing anything great. Trying to show the syntax, how syntax works. And sum addition. So instead of sum, let me add here subtraction or multiplication, mul, and here let me multiply, because already we did in our example we have performed only this addition. So here let me call it the multiplication is mul. Sorry, let me add here. Let me call the method. I'm calling the method mul mul of pass the values. Okay. So close. What I'm trying to do, this example on calling a method. Okay. Expression tag calling the method. So multiplication. So I'll grab this code. So I pasted a declaration tag. I got declarations. I ended this method, and I'm trying to call sum. Oh, this is my expression. Okay, fine. Save. Refresh the web page. Okay, I got the answer, but not in proper way. Let me add break, save, and refresh. Okay, fine. Similarly, let me add some more breaks. One more break. So let me create scriptlet tag, and let me add some more code. Okay. So let me create the variable called string s assignment operator, new string of, and here new string of, or directly you can create. You can put this value in double quote also, right? Or new string of. Hi. Welcome to CSMSS CSCOE. Huh? ठीक है? I wrote simple, nothing. I wrote simple. Okay. Now I wish to call this yes. I wish to call this yes. This is string. Now how do I call? Let me add the break tag, multiple break tags, so that you will get output on different lines. So let me show the length of string is. So can I use the expression here? Can I use the expression tag here? So modulo, and let me add here assignment operator. Let me close the here yes dot. How to find the length? Yes dot length of, right? Length of a string is whatever the length is there, this will be printed. Okay. Now I can print here current date and time is mana je ka jaise diya. So I'll get the object directly. So I'll change here. So I'm using new java dot util dot date of. Done. Right? So make an underline, right? Okay. Creating instance object and adding the syntax. Okay. Underline here. Expression tag displaying the variable value. Okay. So Control C, Control S, saved. I'll save this program. Let me refresh. Length of a string is 47. Current date and time is okay. Friday, October 4th, 10 o'clock, 14 minutes. Okay, almost time end. Okay, 2024 as per the highest. Fine. So let me add XML syntax also. Can you bear 2 minutes with me? I hope you are not getting late for next classes. Tell me. I'll stop or I'll continue. Don't. Huh? इथे जागा असला असता ना तर कंटिन्यू करा म्हणून असतं थोडं चलो is it clear guys? Is it clear? Huh? So you can add node point here. So underline here. So here, so you can write here expression tag calling the method. Here expression tag calling the method. Here expression tag calling the method. Here also call the method, right? Here also call the method. Expression tag call the method. Here also expression tag call the method. Now next, let me use this one. One more expression tag. Now आणखी काय राहिलं सांगायचं मला इथं. इथं काय राहिलं? Let me use one more break tag. String is. Can I use expression tag here to show the string? Can I use? Huh? Yes or no? Okay. So underline it and write the code. Okay. Here expression tag. Here expression tag. Displaying variable value. And here what? Actually, I don't need to provide this node point. Easily understandable. Okay. And here instance object. Creating a instance object. Directly I can call new java.date dot toString also I can call. Anonymous method calling. Okay, method calling on a anonymous object, right? Nameless object. Done. So let me refresh. So string, hi, welcome to CSMSS. Length is 47. Okay, fine. Class नाही त्यांचा हा त्यांचे फॅकल्टी पण नाही आले आणखी सो using expression tag we can perform instantiation method calling and also display variable values and expression result also just add the note point using expression tag we cannot call Java methods whose return type is void. If it is a void, does it bring any value? No, na. So, okay, fine. Now we shall see XML syntax. Shall we see? ठीक आहे जा तुम्ही जा सगळ्यांना अटेंडन्स द्या because already we are getting late.